What's going on, you guys? So I got this from Wish. It's the Bitcoin, and this is what they actually look like. Focus, there you go. It's the front. And that's the back of it. I mean, they look pretty cool. They came in two of them, and they feel pretty heavy. I mean, they come in a container, plastic container. This one wobbles, this one doesn't, so I don't know. Pretty cool if you ask me. Funny, but awesome. Well, there you guys have it. Let me know what you think. They seem pretty cool to me. But till next time.